What's up, everyone? This is your boy Alex, and welcome back to my vlog. I know. There's been a lot of time gap between my last video and this video. So here's the thing: there was nothing interesting happening in my life. I was not really going anywhere or doing anything. So I thought I'll just stop. But apart from that, I had also a lot of technical issues that I had to go through with my storage and stuff. I'm going to start recording videos of me going to an event or probably a trip or maybe some shoot, so maybe I can try and show you my life when I go outside, when it's thrilling. When it's boring, I'm just at home playing game and just sleeping. So you guys let me know what more can I do for you guys. Probably I'll slowly start working on it. I know I have promised to be consistent and all of that, but I'll try my best. Today we are going to go to a jam which is organized by our Tribe Dance Studio by Akash and Ankush. Both of them are really good friend of mine, and I'm going to be hosting the event. So let's go, let's see what happens in the event. Right, so we are on our way to the venue. So just giving you all a fit check before we leave. We are on our way to the venue now. So yeah, let's go. We just got near the venue. You see the place behind, that's the venue. But before we go in, I think we are going to have some breakfast. And I have the judge for today, Crazy Bright.
My hand.
And we have the winner. In his dreams. In his dreams.
Bro. He will win one day, bro. Maybe not today. Maybe not tomorrow.
The judge has told maybe not today. So he's not winning today. What is your mindset for judging going to be today?
Bro, just I'm gonna have fun, bro. Whatever I will, if I don't like someone, I'll give it to opposite person.
I go with the same logic. Guys, don't call Crazy Bright. I'm just kidding. One of the finest b-boys in India right now.
Same.
So,
He is also one of the finest b-boy and MC. That is
Hey, no.
double dhamaka.
This is YouTube, bro. I'm finest blogger.
Ah!
I saw his hotel here. It's ahead, sorry. So I have one more winner with me. Sushma, are you going to win today's battle?
Yes, of course.
Here to eat breakfast. Let's go. Now we are going to have breaking interview over breakfast. So I'm going to have our b-boy Kiran, b-girl Sushma and b-boy Crazy Bright. So I'm going to ask them very controversial questions, so be ready. First, the most controversial b-boy. Okay. So who is your favorite b-boy in India?
Oh, my favorite b-boy, Arjun Alex.
And who is the worst b-boy in India?
B-boy Crazy Bright.
He's very smart, guys. B-girl Sushma, who is your favorite b-girl in India? Apart from
Myself.
you. Apart from you. Don't say b-girl Crazy Bright.
B-boy Crazy Bright.
That's why I looked at him. Bigger, crazy, right?
But yeah, who is it?
I have many.
Who?
In India.
In India.
Joanna, Cliff, and Barbie.
She's mentioning 3 BC1 chants. Smart. Okay, who's the worst b-girl in India? Apart from you.
Nobody is worst. I'm not the worst.
I can tell a name for you. You want me to?
Who?
I know, you want me to.
No.
So basically you know who it is. Tell me.
No.
Who's your favorite b-boy in India?
Flying machine.
Flying Machine. Who's the worst b-boy in India?
Me.
Apart from you.
To the venue.
No idea. Very unprofessional, guys. In middle of an interview, he is talking on phone.
So another my favorite b-boy called
Who is that?
b-boy Sean.
What is breaking for you guys?
Everything. For me, breaking is everything.
Describe everything.
So my day is like it's like like, how to say, I'm breathing, I'm eating, like that my breaking is. So morning I'll wake up, I'll eat, I'll drink water, like that I'll do breaking. If I don't do that, it will be like kind of uncomfortable in my life. Be honest, be honest.
Okay. Sushma, what is breaking for you?
Same principle. But if I have to be funny, it's okay. I just copied his sentence, not moves.
Okay. What is this guy? Sad interview. Come on, make it interesting. Tell us some breaking gossips.
Breaking gossips.
You tell us.
What
Some gossip.
do you want?
Oh, yeah. What do you know?
Everything.
Tell us something from everything. Something that nobody knows.
Something that nobody knows.
Something that will surprise everyone.
Nobody knows.
Some breaker just reported my book.
Some breaker just reported your book. Oh, by the way, she has a book that is completely dedicated for breakers to train hard and keep their discipline on check. Can you show the book? Do you have it now? Yeah, you should tell something about the book.
Mentioning themselves as a OG, and they are going and telling others. Kids are making book and we are all being quiet. I don't know who's that. I know who's that, but I don't want to mention it. But this kind of gossip I have.
Tell it to me later.
Yeah, I'll tell you
One day
later.
I'm sure you'll
Yes.
buy it.
Okay, so tell us more about the book.
Or you can just plan about, I just want to do a better execution today. You can just plan. Then how you prepare for it. After preparation, it's about
Pretty girls.
what you learned in this battle.
Sorry guys, I got distracted. Wait, I want to ask you one controversial question.
Yes.
So you took part in a B-boys category,
Yes.
the competition had B-girls category separately.
Right.
What was your intention?
My intention was just so clear that I wanted to smoke B-boys, especially this guy.
Then take part in a normal category of breaking. Why do you ask for B-girls category separately
I
then?
didn't ask. I never asked for it because I
Imagine same thing if Crazy Bright would have taken part in a B-girls category. How much is the cost of this?
360.
360
and if
rupees.
you get more than 10 books, then it's 324 per book.
324?
Per
book, if
it is
an order is 10,
10 or
then-
more than 10.
Okay, all right. Please go check it out. I'm going to take it as well. Are you going to give one for promoting the book? Good entrepreneur.
So I wanna ask Alex. Actually, personally, I like Alex very much from the day one only because I when I started my breaking, I used to travel to Chennai and all. So recently, I only don't know. One day in Tots and Teens, Cyclone was in video call with Alex. Suddenly, I was peeking out, and showing my face. And then after Cyclone disconnected, hey, Alex was angry on you because you have told something about him. So I want to ask, what you exactly received about that I told something? Like,
It was that only. I think I confronted you.
yeah, but now I want to know who told you.
Who told? See, a detective will never tell their source. So I am also not going to tell the source.
Bro,
Just know there's a snake with you.
Just know
There was a snake.
There was a snake.
There was a snake with you.
there was a snake with me, bro. But in his vlog, you have to tell the truth, bro. You can't hide.
So the thing is, I will not give up on my sources. So you can be my source anytime. So this is where the event is going to happen. I said it's going to get crowded after some time, so here it is. Organizer, DJ, let's meet some people. This is Michael Dirty Feet. Yeah, nobody cares what he is. My friends, Boy Bounce, 90s Flow, say hi to my vlog. Hi. Follow, subscribe, and like. like. Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe.
Thank you. One of the oldest dancers in Bangalore. Like, share, subscribe. Yes, ZU, BOO, hip hop, super hip hop. Like, share, subscribe to my channel.
Please, I've been watching this channel for almost 10 years now. Please like, share and subscribe. He's the most amazing vlogger in India right now.
Started my channel 8 months ago. What's up?
Oh my god, it's a video.
Yeah, can you tell, like, share, subscribe to my channel?
What's so funny? You're like video now?
Yeah.
I don't like and subscribe.
Meet my friend Nilesh Kannan. He just returned from China. So how your experience in China?
Yeah, crazy, bro.
Did you see more people like you?
No, bro, you are unique. You are original. No racism.
Can you tell, like, share, subscribe?
Yeah. Like and subscribe. Original like.
मतलब एजुकेशन के लिए कहती है लेकिन मैं
One of the oldest and one of my favorite dancers from India.
Always good.
Like, share, subscribe. Go fucking watch the video. Hello guys, Original X YouTube. Please subscribe and like and share. Press the bell button, please. Like, share, subscribe.
Like my subscribe.
Like ಮಾಡಿ subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. Like ಮಾಡಿ subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. I'm cutting this part. I hate you, bro. Hey, left me hanging. Hey, Cheta. Now, some support from Kerala.
Yeah, please like and subscribe.
Oh, you already got to know. Do you follow my videos?
Of course, I have seen your videos.
Oh, yeah. And finally, the legend. Like, share, subscribe.
I came so many times. I don't know.
Even
Like, share, subscribe. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to comment and scold us what and all we should avoid. So we will put that on. What and all decision we have to avoid, we will take that content out.
Whatever you said, yes.
Let's go. What am I supposed to tell? About this jam? About you?
My YouTube.
Oh, like, share and subscribe. Original X big fan. Let's go back.
This is B-Boy, one of the finest B-Boys from India. If you tell, like, share, subscribe, I'll get followed.
Guys, please do like,
Saraswati,
subscribe. He is one of the best b-boy in India too, you know. So yeah, please subscribe, love, show him more love, support, and let's go. One love.
What we want to say, bro? Like, share, subscribe. This is from my YouTube channel.
Best guy.
No. Best guy. I'm cutting this part.
No, but you can like, subscribe. This channel.
कौन से कलर का चड्डी पहने हो आज? बता दो ना.
And finally, my matcha in my video. Matcha, like, share, subscribe.
Everybody, kindly, so much love to give. What we want back is just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We want all subscribe.
ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Bro, my YouTube channel is important or this jam is important?
YouTube subscribe.
So,
Please subscribe.
Like, share, comment ಮಾಡಿ.
don't follow that guy.
Alright,
we're going to start off with the breaking category. Can we have the list? Can we have the list of all the breaking participants? Okay, and if you guys haven't registered, you guys have 2 minutes. Please go register. Meanwhile, all the best hip hop dancers hijacking the dance floor. Thank you so much for understanding. All right. All right. Oh, what's up? All right. Can you say like, share, subscribe to my channel?
Aparma bro.
Yes, that. Bro, love from Chennai.
Subscribe for my channel, bro.
I'll cut that part, no worries. DJ, play some breaking music. Yeah. Meanwhile, organizers, can I have the list of all the participants? Subscribe.
சொல்லிட்டேன் நான் மட்டுமே 10 வாட்டி சொல்லியிருக்கேன்.
Whose channel is this?
Arjun Alex.
Alright, come here. I'll introduce everyone today. Okay. This boy. Alright. Hi, इतना उदास है तो कोई सब्सक्राइब नहीं करेगा. Alright guys, breakers, you can come on the dance floor and start practicing your sets, which I know you're going to do it in your rounds also.
People, come and accept. Let's go.
Dance. It's important. We were in a relationship. I didn't say that, bro.
Let's go.
Let's go. Wow. We were right after. It's not hunting anymore. Whoa. It's the bad guys. I got that. I hit that ego. We were psycho. Whoa. Yeah. It's traveling on the dance floor. Right now is smashing it. Is he going? Whoa! That's the cleanest one he's ever given.
One second.
That's the cleanest one he's ever given. See now it crashed. What did I say? Easy. It crashed. It doesn't take time, but it's okay. Still support him. Ay. 2 syllables.
Really?
What are you studying? You want to prepare for IIT like this? Alright. Okay. B-boy Drunken Singh is here. And B-boy Shake. Oh my god! I'm finally seeing this name! Okay, B-boy Gokul. B-boy Gokul is here. B-boy Heartbreaker. Bad break. B-boy Heartbreak. B-boy Jay Sriram. B-boy Kiran. B-boy WXM. B-boy White. B-girl Shushma. Sorry, it's B-boy Shushma. Because she likes taking part in B-boys category, right? B-girl Excalibur. B-girl Laya. B-boy Isaac. Oh my god. I'm going to see some antique B-boys take part today. B-boy Elbow. B-boy Sugar. Oh my god. B-boy Win. Okay. So these are the 23 people. Anyone who wants to beat B-boy Wild Hunter can even register now. Anyone can come and beat him. Champion of the kids breaking category at Unlock the Culture 3.0 is Khushi! Give it up for Ayan as well, Ricky. Make some noise for Khushi, guys. Come on, let's go. Alright. The two champs, the two finalists. The champions. The winner of the popping category, Rogan. Twin. Make some noise for popping Ashwin, guys. Last moment, he came, turned the entire event, and took 3 smokes.
Morning we started together, we're gonna end it together.